Did you know that listening to music and writing reviews about it can make you money? Among the many ways to make money online, one of them is listening to music. You can increase your pocket money by a good margin just by signing up to the websites mentioned in this guide. Before we continue, we'd like to welcome you back again to our channel, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let's get to this amazing topic where you will know exactly how to make money by doing something fun as listening to music. But do you want to know why it is that these websites would actually pay you? Such websites pay users so that new and upcoming singers and songwriters can review music. To help musical artists find the direction they need for their songs, these websites require feedback from a wide range of people. Imagine a side hustle that allows you to make money listening to music. You can get paid for listening to Spotify or even listening to the radio. That sounds fun, doesn't it? It's not just about fun, however, or making additional money. You will gain experience in the music industry if you listen to music and get paid. This may be an outstanding learning opportunity for those trying to make it in the music business. Let's get into it and know exactly how. Legit ways to earn money. Number 1. Listen to your own playlists. As long as you use the right apps, you can make money by listening to your own playlists. Nielsen, for example, is an outstanding app for making money listening to music. Nielsen is involved in a lot of research into the market. You give Nielsen access to your musical activities if you download the app. Then, they will compensate you for your involvement in their research. Don't worry about privacy, though. The app only monitors things like what streaming platforms you use, the kind of music you listen to, and what marketing schemes you respond to. Afterward, the app sells its results to various businesses, including music labels and distributors of music. The app can be found both on Google Play and in the App Store. You can only earn up to $50 per year, however. While you have opportunities throughout the year to win bonus rewards, the money is not as high as other platforms. Number 2. Review music. Of course, if you can get paid to rate music, to review it, you can also get paid. For music reviews, websites like Hit Predictor and Slice the Pie pay handsomely. You get a list of songs after signing up, and you must review each one. If you write more reviews in less time, such as Amazon gift cards, you get bonus rewards. Hit Predictor generally pays $1 for every 3 reviews. If you're writing longer reviews, you can earn even more. With this technique, however, you must have adequate writing and research abilities. Quality reviews analyze the song critically, detailing the good and the bad. So if you don't know much about musical composition, you should be able to research the topic effectively and provide the song with proper feedback. Number 3. Listen to music without skipping ads. Everyone hates advertisements. They disturb a song or video's momentum, ruining the listening experience. However, if you knew that by watching advertisements you could make money, would you still skip them? The answer for sure is no. There aren't many opportunities in the music business to earn money by watching ads. Online services such as Radio Earn, however, pay listeners a small part of their ad revenue to generate buzz and consequently get more listeners. Radio Earn is an online radio station that can be accessed by means of its website. All you have to do is sign up and tune in to the station on their site. Every few minutes, the adverts play, but listening to more ads means more money. Every 15 minutes, you earn points, which can eventually be redeemed for money or gift cards. Through PayPal or bank transfer, they pay you, so you don't have to worry about complex transactions. All in all, in order to listen to music, there are many ways to get paid. You should check out these 10 ways to make money listening to songs if you're a music lover. While it may sound unbelievable at first, you can eventually make a living listening to music with the right resources. Here are also some of the apps that you can work on. Music Xray. Music Xray is a platform to submit songs to singers and songwriters and earn money by listening to music. It's a website that brings artists and talent hunters together to promote their music and build a fan base by submitting their songs to the portal and generating followership. These artists pay a certain fee. In order to listen to music of their own choice, users can sign up as fans. These users, or fans, are then paid to listen to the music of such amateur artists through their website. Mostly, the recordings are only 30 seconds long. Only through PayPal does Music Xray pay its users. They pay 10 cents per song to their users. $20 is the minimum threshold for a payout. Playlist Push. Playlist Push is a platform that allows playlists to be monetized by Spotify, Deezer, and Apple Music users. It's a website connecting musical artists to the curators of the playlist. In addition, for a chance to be included in the list, the website helps these artists pitch their music to these playlist curators. How it works is that if you like a song, you add it to your playlists. Artists pay the curators to listen and review their songs. Playlist push requires that you have at least 400 followers on your playlist to qualify as a curator. Depending upon your reputation, the pay-per-song rate. The firm pays between $1 and $12 per song review to its users. Through PayPal, they pay their curators. CurrentUS. CurrentUS is a mobile application based on Android iOS that pays you around $600 per year to play music on your mobile phone. If you want to generate passive income through listening to songs, it's one of the most rewarding apps. You can earn money while you're working in the office, jogging, or even commuting. By earning points for being active on the app, you basically earn cash. The more you tap on the app's music or other features, the more cash you make. They keep adding more and more earning options, so it's only going to keep getting better. By redeeming gift cards, recording music for offline usage, or cashing out using PayPal, you can spend your points. We localize. If you could listen to songs and lyrics and get paid for converting them into text, how cool would that be? You can do just that with We Localize. Once you join their platform, from time to time you'll receive new songs. It'll be your job to convert those lyrics to plain text. To work for this company, you obviously need to have sound listening and writing skills. If you think you're up to it, then make sure you apply to this incredible platform. They've also got a decent pay rate. You'll earn $4 for each song you transcribe. So if we're gonna say you work on 30 songs a month, just multiply that by 4. Through wire transfer and ACH, We Localize pays its workers. Fusion Cash. Another get-paid website that works with radio loyalty to provide its members with some simple cash to listen to the music they love is Fusion Cash. Many of its members say that while they're working around the house, they can use the paid radio to earn some extra money. To add the CAPTCHA code and earn a few cents, just come back every few minutes. In order for U.S. residents to participate who may be 13, to join must be with parental permission. Internationally, to join, you must be 18 or older. Slice the Pie. Review music for money. Slice the Pie is a very popular way to earn some money for internet users while listening to some of the newest music before anyone else does. With Slice the Pie, artists who want your feedback will be listening to and rating new music. Before you start writing, you must listen to at least 60 seconds of the song, but it's best to listen to all of it so you can leave a detailed review. Slice the Pie really looks into his reviews and doesn't want fluff. It wants your honest opinions, and by writing more consistently detailed reviews, you can increase your earnings. The more you engage and leave comprehensive reviews, the higher you will be rated. A higher rating allows you to earn more money, which is typically between 2 cents per review and 20 cents. Some bonus payments are even available to raters who do exceptional work. And by referencing your friends, you can earn even more money. To withdraw your earnings using PayPal, you must have a minimum of $10 in your account. Payments are made on Tuesdays and Fridays every week, and within 5 business days, you can usually expect to see your earnings credited to PayPal. And here, as we reach the end of the video, I want to thank you for sticking it out until the end. Please comment down below what you think of today's topic and if you have any thoughts to help our community grow. Please share the love and help people to know how to earn money by sharing this video. Also, don't forget to like it as it really motivates us to continue with our videos. We really thank you for watching, and until next time.